Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Galaxy S21. I finally got a hands-on the Galaxy S21. I am like one of the last person or last tech YouTuber wannabe on this planet that finally got a hold of this Galaxy S21. Well, it's a little late, but better than never. And today I have two Galaxy S21s, and the reason I have two Galaxy S21, one is for unboxing and the other one is for filming. Filming actually, right now, what you are seeing right now is recorded by the Galaxy S21. So in this video, I will do the traditional unboxing and will show you what does it comes with this phone, and also I will let you know what does it not comes with this phone, so you know what to expect when you buy this phone. And by the way, since I'm filming this video with the Galaxy S21, please feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the video quality. And also I will leave some samples of the built-in microphone so you can listen to the built-in microphone. And also I will switch to the internal microphone. Matter of fact, I will switch the internal microphone right now so you can hear what I am talking about. So right now, everything that I'm talking is through the internal microphone. So feel free to comment below and let me know what do you think about the internal microphone. Does it sound good? Right now, the camera is about 5 feet away from my head right here. So I hope that give you a pretty good sense of, the distance and what kind of sound quality to expect. And now I will switch back to my solid lavalier microphones for the rest of the recording. By the way, before I forget, I always forget, can you do me one favor? Can you help me smash that like button? It doesn't cost you anything, but it does support the channel big time. I'll be also making more Galaxy S21 such as tips and tricks or video or camera comparison. So please subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notification if you would like to see more of these content. So without further ado, let me do the unboxing and let you see what does it come with and what does it not come with. I will probably turn on the phone as well because since the phone is fresh, I would like to let you know what is the available storage for these phones and also what is the available RAM out of the box. Some people like to know about that and I will show you that information. So stay tuned to the video and you will find out. Alright, in this unboxing clip, I will be using the internal mics from the S21 to let you hear the sound quality. So this is the box and this is the backs of the box, and these are the wordings. The version that I got is a 256 gigabyte, and inside when you open the box there's this piece of cardboard, and here is the Galaxy S21 phone right here, and this is the back side of it. It's a pretty nice finish. This is a plastic glass or plastic back, so it's not really a glass bag, it's a plastic bag. So unlike the S10, this one doesn't come with a screen protector, but based on the stock screen protective sheet, you can actually clip the top portion of it and use it as a temporary screen protector. And as you see, it doesn't come with a headphone jack, just only USB Type-C. So if you need to plug in your headphones, be sure to order a USB Type-C adapter. I am going to turn on the phone right now and see how long it take to power up the phone. And this is one of the box inside, and inside it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable, so you can plug it into your laptop or something to do data transfer. So as you can see inside the box, it doesn't come with a charging adapter, so there's no charging bricks. So inside this box, it comes with the SIM card and a SIM ejector tools. So be ready to use your own charging brick or order a new charging brick. So one of the key features of this phone is the 120 Hz refresh rate. As you can see, it's pretty buttery smooth. It's not a huge difference, but it's a little bit better as my personal taste. So the phone is still fresh and brand new. I'm going to turn on and let you see what the available storage is. So right now it's using 36.56 gigabytes. So if you get a 128 gig model, you probably are missing a lot of storage space here. I got the 256, that's the reason. So out of the box, without installing any kind of application, it used 3.9 gigabytes of RAM, so use almost 50% of your RAM already. Well, there you have it. This is one of my first Galaxy S21 videos. I'll be having more of the Galaxy S21 video series, so if you like the video, please feel free to share the videos to families and friends, which I'm greatly very appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. And also, I'll be making a series of Galaxy S21 features, tips and tricks, and sample. And also, I will be making I will periodically make